Show me when I can move.
That's it!
Son, you seen Uncle Greg?
Yes. A big first down play. First and 10 from the 35.